Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Craving some decadent frosting but looking for a dairy-free option? You're in luck. Making delicious vegan icing is surprisingly simple, and it tastes absolutely incredible. Whether you're baking for dietary reasons or just exploring, this recipe is a true game changer. Get ready to transform your cakes and cupcakes with a creamy, dreamy topping that everyone can enjoy. It's so good, you won't even notice the difference. Making delicious vegan icing starts with just a few key ingredients you might already have. You'll want some softened vegan butter or a dairy-free shortening if that's your preference. Next, grab plenty of powdered sugar for that essential sweetness and smooth texture. Finally, a little plant-based milk and a splash of pure vanilla extract will complete your list. These simple items are really all you need for amazing results. The first crucial step for perfect vegan icing is properly creaming your butter. In a large mixing bowl, take that softened vegan butter and begin beating it with an electric mixer. Use a medium speed for about 2 or 3 minutes. You'll see the butter become much lighter in color and fluffier. This step incorporates air, making your icing wonderfully light and airy. Don't rush this process, it really sets the foundation. Once your butter is perfectly creamed, it's time to build that beautiful icing. Begin by gradually adding the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. If the mixture seems too thick, alternate with small amounts of plant-based milk, just a tablespoon at a time, until your desired consistency. Then, mix in the pure vanilla extract. Keep blending until everything is perfectly smooth and creamy. This careful process ensures a wonderfully spreadable frosting. Now that you've mastered the basic recipe, here are some tips for perfect results and fun variations. Easily adjust the consistency. Add a touch more plant milk if it's too thick, or more powdered sugar if it's too thin. Feel free to get creative with flavors too. Try lemon zest or cocoa powder for chocolate. For vibrant colors, consider natural food colorings like beet powder. Your perfect vegan icing can truly be customized endlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.